Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor for WordPress. Elementor is a fantastic tool that empowers you to design stunning websites with ease. It's a visual page builder, meaning you can see your changes in real time as you work. This eliminates the need for complex coding, making website creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Elementor comes packed with an extensive library of features to enhance your design process. You'll find more than 100 widgets, from basic text and images to advanced forms and carousels, ready for use. The Live Editor allows you to instantly see how your design changes look, providing a seamless and efficient building experience. Let's dive into building your first page. Start by adding a new section, then divide it into columns as needed. Next, drag and drop your chosen widgets, like headings or images, into these columns. You have complete control to customize every aspect, from colors and fonts to padding and margins, ensuring your page looks exactly as you envision. To elevate your designs, remember to use global settings for consistent branding elements like colors and fonts. This saves time and ensures uniformity. Always prioritize mobile responsiveness, making sure your site looks great on all devices. For even more powerful tools and priority customer service, exploring Elementor Pro is a worthwhile next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.